Okay.
Hi, my name is Paris Boothia. I'm a medical esthetician and my joy is to make both men and women look and feel their best using non-invasive treatment, good skincare product, and not to mention whole food. Now every Friday I try my best to drop a video just sharing my nuggets about skincare, skin treatment and other things, and also answering the question that you said on my DM or that you call or when you visit my clinic at Timeless Medical Spa. The question you ask me, I just want to answer them in a nutshell in a small short video. So today I'll be talking about a few things. One of them will be about my book. Yay! For you who hasn't already gotten this book, The Audacious Dreamer, a story of faith, hope, and love. It is a book I've written. Honestly, it is my testimony. I hope you love it. I enjoyed writing this book. So if you haven't already gotten your copy, imagine it will be on sale the whole month of December. You can get it at Timeless Medical Spa for only 500 shillings. You can also get it on Amazon Kindle for only $5. So support your girl, why not? And after that, you're gonna know me very, very well. So go get this book, and you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, let's rush there right now and subscribe so you can support me and so we can continue sharing, and sharing is caring. But my video for today was to answer a question that I was sent, and it was asking Paris, laser resurfacing. What is this? Who's supposed to do laser treatment? When can I start laser treatment? What does it treat? And so, in a nutshell, I'm going to try to keep this video very short. But to start with, laser can be done to treat different skin conditions. One of it could be skin laxity. I know a lot of people, when they are getting old, their skin sort of lose that elasticity. Yeah, so laser can be used to increase elastin in the skin and to increase collagen. Laser can be used to just treat hyperpigmentation. Laser can be used to treat acne. Laser can be used to treat varicose. Laser can be used to just rejuvenate the skin. So you can use laser for so many things. Laser can be used to treat hair, remove hair removal. You know, like most women, when their hormones start changing, hormone imbalance, they start developing hair on their chin right here. Laser is a good treatment for that. But anyway, now that you know what laser can do, the question that you asked me was one, is it a myth or is it true that laser can cause cancer? Is it a myth or is it true? Here's my answer. It's a myth. The problem with people when they hear of laser, they just think of radiation. Laser equals radiation. Radiation equals skin cancer. But here's what you don't know. In the modern world, laser is being used to treat almost everything. You can use laser to treat your eyes. You can use laser to, there's so many treatments that are being done using laser. So is it safe? Yes. But before I say it in a hurry that is safe, you need to be very careful what laser is being used on your skin, because for every different skin type, there's a good laser for it or not for it. For example, there are some lasers that are very good for dark skin. I am a dark skin, right? There's some lasers that are very good for skin type 6 and 5, being Asian and people of African descent. And then there's a laser that is very good for Caucasian, yeah, for skin type 2, 3, 4, right? So literally, you need to know your skin type, and when you go for laser treatment, you need to ask the person using the laser, what sort of laser is this, and is it for my skin type? Because believe it or not, laser can also be dangerous if not used right. Laser can also cause inflammation if it's not for your skin type, and it can even lead to more issues than good. So you need to educate yourself with your skin type and ask questions about the laser that's going to be used. However, it is a myth to answer the question. Remember, today I'm just answering your question. It is a myth. Laser will not cause you skin cancer if used well. So make sure that the person that is operating the laser know what they're doing and ask questions about the laser being used. To go together, Are we together? Tuko together, that is me using Swahili and English together. Are we together, my people? So I hope you understand that now, yeah? So please, go use that, Lisa. Go take that treatment that you've been putting off because somebody told you that laser will give you skin cancer. That's a myth. It is not true. However, laser is a very good treatment that is used for servicing the skin. Like I said, it can be used for so many things. So, are you a candidate? How will you know if you're a candidate? Number one, know the contraindication of laser. For example, if you're pregnant, don't go for skin treatment with laser because that's a contraindication, right? If you have open wounds, so if you have acne, it is good to use laser to treat acne. But if you have open wounds, I wouldn't advise you to go do laser. So literally, it's you just getting educated and you asking the right questions before you take that step to have laser. Is it good for hair removal? Another question you ask me. Is it myth, Paris, or does laser really work to remove hair permanent? Well, this one is tricky, but I'll answer honestly. Laser can remove hair permanently to some people, but not all people. Number two, there is a chance that you are among the 5% that laser doesn't work at all. You know, there is 5% of people for no known reason that laser will not work on them. Even if you use laser 100 times on them, it just will not work. For example, if you have gray hair or you have white hair, laser just don't work on those. So if you're trying to do hair removal and you have broad hair, like this kind of color hair, and you have white hair, gray hair, honestly, you're just going to be wasting your money. The laser will not work in removing that hair. Why? Because the hair laser is attracted to melanin, and the melanin, it's a chromophore called melanin, and then melanin send the heat into the hair shaft and destroy the hair shaft from the root. Does that make sense? So if anything, the darker you are, honestly, it works to your advantage when it comes to hair removal. So if you have gray hair, white hair, blonde hair, don't waste your time going for hair removal because it will not work. Instead of that, use electrolysis. We do have electrolysis hair removal that can remove one shaft after another. It is a hideous long treatment and it can be painful if you're not numbed, but it is the only one that will work on gray hair. So to answer you, honestly, can laser hair removal be permanent? Yes, for some people, no to some people. Some people, what will happen, the laser will change the course of hair so that it's not so thick, it's thin. The other one will just suppress the growth of hair. So if maybe you are shaving every day, now you find you're not shaving every day, you're shaving once a week. So that's also a gain and a win to some people. So are we together? I'm trying to be honest here and answering your question. I told you today I didn't have a topic. I was just answering your question because sometimes I have to do that because I don't want you to feel like you lied to me, you asked this question and I just ignore them. So to summarize it, yes, laser can be permanent, hair removal can be permanent, but at the same time, yes, some people will only get 50% result, some people will get 10%, some people will get none. I hope I answered you. So please continue writing to me, continue sending this question because I'm happy to answer them and I do my best to answer them honestly. But having said that, laser is a very good treatment and you should give it a try if you haven't already done that because it's quick and it's effective, yeah? Thank you very much. Remember, your health is your wealth. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, subscribe and don't forget to grab your copy of the Audacious Dreamer Timeless Medical Spa Lavington Mall 6th floor, or you can get it on Amazon Kindle for only $5. Thank you very much.